was passing by, he saw brother Zacchaeus way up high. Now make haste, come down, for today I'll abide at your house. The Lord did say, come on down from out of your sycamore tree. Come on down to where you ought to be. Leave your worries and your frown. Come on, Zacchaeus, come on down. He didn't have to beg or offer him a bride. Right down that tree old Zacchaeus did slide. When his feet hit the ground, he did shout, saved by grace, without a doubt. Come on down from out of your sycamore tree. Come on down to